don't you? No. Welcome to Fort William, everybody. Thank you very much indeed. It's a fantastic, obviously, start to the trial. We've got some little introductions we're going to do in a moment, but first of all I'd like you to give a round of applause first for the Loch Harbour Schools Pipers Band. Tremendous. What a way to introduce the trial. On behalf of the Highland Council, I'd like to introduce Sarah Fannet, who's going to say a few words on behalf of the Highland Council for Fort William and Ardnamurchan. Merkin. Did I said that right?
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Fort William, welcome to Loch Harbour, and for those of you who've travelled from overseas, welcome to Scotland. Willkommen nach Scotland, bienvenue en Écosse. It's so great to see so many of you riders and spectators. First time with full normality since before the pandemic. Absolutely brilliant. I just want to thank all the organisers for the hard work and for the flexibility, particularly altering the routes following the recent changes with the Corinth ferry service. Thank you very much. Now, I've been asked to say a few words about the weather, so looking at the sky I can just say one thing: let's get on with it now. Have a great time, thank you very much, and good luck to all the riders.
Thank you very much, sir, on behalf of the Council for Fort William and Ardnamurchan. I'd also like to introduce one of our principal supporters. This is a very, very important gentleman, Tom Uppington, who's going to say a word on behalf of Alvance, who are primarily British Aluminium. Tom.
Okay, I'd just like to welcome everybody to the 6-day trials, and on behalf of Alvance British Aluminium, you'll be riding across much of our land holdings over the next couple of days. Have fun, and it's great to see the town so busy. Good luck to everybody.
Thank you very much, Tom. We had a wonderful reception last night for Tom's colleague from Kinloch, Leyland, where you actually did the awards for the Pre-65, and we're sincerely thankful for all the help and the land that they actually provide. So without too much ado, I was going to go and ask if you'd just be patient for one moment, because there's a group of riders who are actually riding for the NHS, and I'm going to ask one of their representatives to just come and say a very few quick words. I stress a few quick words.
Afternoon, everybody. We lost our son this time last year, and trying to repay back the NHS. There's a group of riders. We've already run the Pre-65 and the team are moving on now for the 6 days. To date we've managed to raise £14,000, and hopefully we can do a lot better by the end of the week. So we're just trying to give something back. So if you see the boys on the hill, pick them up, scoop them up, or donate. You can donate via QR code, or you'll find us at Trials for Life on their Facebook. Thank you.
Thank you, Brad. It worked very well yesterday. They had a good supporting group of riders go around on the Pre-65, and they all came up with quite decent results, so I think. Otherwise, I think it's time to actually say now we can officially start the 2023 Scottish 6-day trial, and many thanks to everybody that's helping and organising. Anybody that's full up there at the high street, you might have to just move back a little as the entourage and the parade comes through. Other than that, firing up, gents and ladies. So, other than Brad and his fellow riders doing there's 1 or 2 buckets going up as well. They're supported by the army team. So is the army team coming through? I haven't got my programme. Oh, I recognise one, but I won't mention him because we'll get embarrassed. Have you answered, ladies and gentlemen? Is it 13 this year, Doug? Well, you've got some competition with the little one. Who takes priority when you're riding the section? You or Alfie? Or me? Oh, so I don't know, I'm just going to listen to what I'm told, basically. That's the way he was done before when he started. Father and son. Long time since we've actually said that while we were here. The Lampkins. I liked his words though. So we get a lot of them come through. I can't spot them all as we're going through. If you've got anybody that you know, give them a good wave. Australia. Another member of the charity for the NHS. Chap over here on the left. Alicia Robinson. If your rider's coming through, give them a wave. You should have been down about a bird's length last week. It's good to see you anyway, son. You're not supposed to use your phone while you're riding. Against the law. Some teams going through here, which I don't completely recognise, but I'm sure we'll find out. I'm actually looking for some particular riders. Milky, how are you? All right? Right, safe. Now, they must be the police team from Scotland. Another Australian rider. Let's get all this way, standing around. Carlos Bassers, everybody from Spain. Carlos must have done at least 25 6 days. I spoke to him on Friday at the 365. Why aren't you riding? Oh no, too old to do 2 weeks, 2 trials in a week. There's some nice smiles on faces. Now let's keep the rain away for you. Where do I get a woolly jumper like that from? Ask your mother. Get your mother to come up and give us some advert. Cracking jumper, eh? I reckon that'll keep you nice and warm across the moors. Somebody's run out of petrol already. Now this looks like John Lee's little team, all the way down to the South Midlands. Going through, which they've got the flag on the helmets, otherwise I wouldn't have recognised it. Mr. Shirton Company, long time rider of the 6th day. Don has to sit down now, he can't stand up any longer. What old thing he is. Mr. Amber, you didn't say hello to me. How are you? Noxie, how are you? You've got the wrong flag on there, mate. How are you? Good to see you. Come all the way from Australia. Mrs. Thorpe, how are you? And the old chap, yeah, managed to win yesterday as well, by default. Make yourself known. Well done for yesterday. Oh, that's not what you want to hear, is it? Emma Bristow, ladies and gentlemen. Emma, just hang on a second. Now, 8 times world champion, going on to be 9 at the end of this year. You'll see it, I'm sure. With husband James. Mr. Alfred, how are you, sir? I saw the white picture that you up the tram earlier. You've come back again, Amos. Amos Bilbao, ladies and gentlemen, long-time rider. Mr. Sam Connor, previous winner. How many years ago was that? A lot, yes. Nigel, come here. Come on, Nigel. You've been deliberately holding me back, really you do. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you Nigel Burkitt. This is his 50th Scottish 6-day trial. He started in 1971, and I think I really do say, well done, Nigel.
Well, if you were doing it, you know, couldn't play it.
The songs you still do, everybody obviously is pleased to actually see it, and what a landmark that will be. I don't think it'll ever be beaten.
No, but it's, as I say, we come here 6 days on a bike. It's living a dream, you know, so it should be.
It wasn't living a dream on my body, I have to confess. Nigel Burkitt, ladies and gentlemen. Hanging around to the last. By no means least, our officers of the law who actually accompany what's going on. So, that's your parade done. Well done, little man. That's the parade done again. Fort William, you've done his parade already, and we haven't even started yet. Well, we have started. We're going to get going 7:30 tomorrow morning. On behalf of the Trials Committee for the 6th day, I'd like to say thank you very much to Sarah, and also for Tom for coming along and helping us out. It really has made it very, very good, and everybody else has enjoyed it. So, on behalf of everybody else, have a good week. Hopefully, it's going to stay dry. David has already organised the weather for this afternoon. At 2 o'clock I'm thinking, well, what are we doing? We're going to stand out in that. So signing off from here, many thanks to everybody and the same good week to everybody. Bye bye.